Hello everybody, it's 10:25 and 37 seconds on Friday, November 9th. This is mini number 1 for the Swamp Thing 37 9.6 versus Constantine. Over here are the 10 filled spots. Whoever comes in first place in this mini will get the first 4 open spots in the main. Those spots are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Whoever comes in second place will get the next available spot in the main. That spot is currently 5. So let's roll the 3 dice. Number is 14. Best of luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and here comes the final one. 14, Brody Stokely comes in first. Jason Johnson comes in second. Time is 10:26 and